Well, come to my YouTube channel, Al-Shifa Medical Information. Peace be upon you. Today we'll talk about seasonal allergies, which affect many people with the changing seasons. What is this allergy? What are its symptoms? And most importantly, how can it be treated at home? Watch the video till the end for complete details. Seasonal allergies are a common medical problem that manifests in different seasons of the year, especially during spring and fall. It occurs when our body's immune system reacts against dust, pollen, mold, or other natural elements as harmful. Seasonal allergies can occur for a variety of reasons, including plant pollen, which are particles from trees, grasses, and flowers that become airborne, dust and dirt, especially in dry and windy weather, animal hair, as some people may be allergic to pet dander, fungus, and mold, which can cause allergies due to living in humid areas, and fragrance or smoke, such as perfume, air freshener, or car smoke. If you develop seasonal allergies, you may experience the following symptoms: runny or stuffy nose, sneezing, itchy or watery eyes, sore throat or cough, itchy or red skin, shortness of breath or asthma-like condition, fatigue, and sleep disturbances. The following home remedies can be tried to prevent and treat allergies. Eating a spoonful of pure honey daily increases the body's immune system and reduces allergies. Gargle with lukewarm water mixed with salt in case of sore throat or cough. It will reduce inflammation. Drinking half a spoonful of turmeric in a glass of warm milk can reduce allergies. If the nose is blocked or breathing is difficult, put a few drops of peppermint or eucalyptus oil in lukewarm water and steam it. It will open the respiratory tract. Ginger contains naturally anti-inflammatory compounds, while lemon provides vitamin C that strengthens the immune system. Drinking more water flushes out toxins from the body and reduces the effects of allergies, and sweep and vacuum daily to keep the house dust-free, keeping windows closed to keep outside dust and pollen out. To prevent allergies, avoid going out early in the morning as pollen is high at that time. Wear a mask to avoid dust and allergens. Wash clothes daily to remove dirt and germs, and clean carpets and curtains as they can collect dust and allergens. If you found this information useful, please like the video, give your feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Al-Shifa Medical Information, for more such informative videos. Thank you. Staying hydrated is essential, as drinking plenty of water flushes out toxins. Keeping your home clean by vacuuming regularly and washing your clothes can also minimize exposure to allergens. To prevent allergies, try to avoid outdoor activities in the early morning when pollen counts are highest, and consider wearing a mask if you're in dusty environments.